Welcome back, folks! Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a machine that's been making waves in the industry. The Bambu Lab X1-Carbon. This sleek, high-performance printer has been turning heads, but does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we uncover all the ins and outs in this in-depth review. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! I'm your name, and you're watching Product Critique. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Bambu Lab X1-Carbon 3D printer. Packed with features and promising high-speed, multicolor printing, let's see if this machine truly delivers. First things first, let's talk unboxing. The X1-Carbon arrives snugly packed in a shipping box, with foam brackets ensuring it arrives intact. Inside, you'll find not only the printer but also essentials like a glue stick, lubrication, and even 3 spools of material to get you started. Setting up the X1-Carbon is a breeze. With clear instructions and helpful QR codes linking to instructional videos, even first-time users won't break a sweat. In just 30 minutes, you'll have this beauty up and running, ready to bring your creations to life. Bed leveling, a crucial step for any 3D printer. But fear not. The X1-Carbon makes it a breeze with its lidar-assisted automatic calibration. Just sit back, relax, and let the printer do the heavy lifting, ensuring a consistent first layer every time. Loading filament is a cinch with the X1-Carbon's intuitive interface. Whether you're using the spool holder or the top-mounted AMS, the printer guides you through the process seamlessly. Plus, with multicolor printing capabilities, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk design. With its sleek aluminum and glass shell, the X1-Carbon stands out from the crowd, resembling something straight out of an Apple lineup. But it's not just about looks. The core XY motion system ensures lightning-fast print speeds without sacrificing quality. Time to put this printer to the test. Whether it's printing functional parts or intricate models, the X1-Carbon delivers exceptional results. With features like the Bambu Studio Slicer app and live webcam feed, monitoring your prints has never been easier. Of course, no product is perfect. While the X1-Carbon boasts an array of impressive features, it's not without its drawbacks. From the absence of a pay-textured plate to the somewhat complicated nozzle replacement process, there are a few areas where it falls short. So, after putting the Bambu Lab X1-Carbon through its paces, what's the verdict? Well, folks, this printer certainly lives up to the hype. With its high-speed, multicolor printing capabilities and user-friendly interface, it's a standout in the prosumer market. That wraps up our review of the Bambu Lab X1-Carbon 3D printer. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance machine, this one's worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your source for honest, in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy printing!